So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see now I'm inside the Mall of Asia. So it is also known as one of the biggest malls of Asia. So now I'll try to do some crazy stuff with the people inside the mall, and I'll try to show virtually what all the things that I'm going to do with the people. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end, and make sure you subscribe and smash that like button and share as much as you can. So let's go, let's do some crazy stuff with the people. तो चलिए पहले हम थोड़ा मॉल एक्सप्लोर कर लेंगे। तो अंदर से कुछ ऐसा दिखता है मॉल ऑफ एशिया। इट्स फिल्ड विद ग्रीन ट्रीज, सो दोज आर द आर्टिफिशियल ट्रीज, बट देखने में मज़ा आता है। देखिए the food court area of Mall of Asia. एम्बियंस तो बहुत तगड़ा है यार।
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय।
So I have to find someone to show my magic tricks. So I'm looking for girls actually
समझ रहे हो ना?
inside the mall. So अभी जाके कुछ लोगों को अप्रोच होएंगे और उसके बाद पूछेंगे उनको कि they would like to come in the vlog, and if they give permission to record their expressions, I'll post it on YouTube करके मैं पूछूंगा उनसे. So let's see कैसे जाता है.
2 hours later.
Thank you for accepting, and please. I just love. ठीक है. So now what I'll try to do is I'll just try to shuffle the cards, and you just shuffle the cards as much as you can, and that's up to you. You have experience in this? No. Okay. So I just wanted to take any card from the deck and show it to your friends and to the camera as well. Okay. Take any card. Yeah. Show it to the camera actually. ठीक है. I just want you to divide these cards into 2 decks. Like for example, I'll show you in this way. ठीक है. Divide the cards. As many cards as you want. ठीक है. Place your card in this deck. Yeah. You have shuffled the cards. If for your satisfaction, I'll also shuffle the cards for you. ठीक है. I'm also shuffling it. Right. I don't know your card. You have shuffled the cards. You have taken a random card from the deck. I don't know your card, right? So what if I try to find your card in this deck and try to like guess your card just by reading your ठीक है. I'll just try to read your mind through your eyes. ठीक है. So what I'll predict is I'll just place the card over here. I'll try to show it to the camera. ठीक है. I think this is the brother's card. ठीक है. What was your card?
4 diamonds.
This is the 4 of diamonds.
Is there any trick on this?
No, nothing is trick. You can see every card is damn different, right?
Maybe in YouTube channels I have seen few. So
No trick, brother. I have tried to guess one card, and successfully have guessed it. So what if I try to guess 3 cards? I just want you guys choose one card each, 3 members. Okay. So these are all, do you want me to shuffle this card as well? I will shuffle it. And I just want you to take any card from the deck. Any one card. Okay. And you also. One card. And you also. Any card. So I just want you to show the cards one by one to the camera, and I'll just want you to remember all those cards. So right, you have 3 cards. You have shown it to the camera as well, right? So I just want you 3 guys, any one of them, place your card over it. Any one of them. That's up to you. Okay. I just want to take as many cards as you want and put it in this pile. Okay. And the second person, both of you, you can choose anyone and place your card over this pile. Place it here. And I just want you to pick as many cards and you take. That's it. I just want to place your card over here. Okay. Fine, right? Right? So, I'll just try to divide the cards for my easiness. So it will be wonders. What if I try to guess all the 3 cards from your guy? Okay. Do you think I can make it?
I'm not sure, like, it's a hard task.
What?
It's a very hard task
Yeah.
to guess all the 10 cards. Maybe for one card you might use a trick, but
For
all
3
the
cards, it's very, it's not possible for. It's not possible actually, but what I'll try to do for you guys. I just don't know. I too don't know what if I don't get it right. So I'm also a little nervous in this case right now. Okay. I just having 3 cards over here. Okay. So here the tricks goes like it's the best part of this trick. Okay. I just wanted to reveal one card. Can I know your? Just give it to the mic to her. And can you just tell me what was your card?
Okay. Heart 8.
8.
Yeah.
8 of?
Hearts.
8 of hearts. So is this your card, right?
Wow, yeah.
Can you tell me what was your card? What is it?
Q heart Q.
Q. Q of hearts, right?
Q of hearts.
So is this your card, right?
Yes.
So I have guessed 2 cards successfully. I just wanted to reveal your card as well. Fuck.
It's 10 spades.
See?
Serious.
This is crazy, right?
This is
Zoom
insane.
in. This is crazy.
How are you doing this?
It's just, I'm like used to it, doing all this trick.
3 cards is very insane, man.
It's very it's not practically possible, but I like to do impossible things and
Yeah.
make it possible every time. So I'll show you another trick that is also like kind of okay. So I just you just pick any card. Yeah. You want to pick it? Yeah, sure, definitely. Yeah. Right. Now, what I want you to do is, come here. What I want to do is, you just don't lift the cards and just try to push the card in between any card.
Have you remembered that one?
Okay. So what I'll try to do is, I have a trick in my hand, so I'll just grab it and place it here.
Okay.
You have to answer in yes or no. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is this your card?
No.
No. Is this your card?
No.
No, what I'll try to do is I'll just place it here. Okay? And just tap it. How the cards must be arranged? Face up or face down?
Face down. Face up only.
Face down, right? So all
Yes,
the
yes.
cards must be face down.
Uh-huh.
So I just want you to rub 3 times here. 1, 2, 3. So what magical touch? That is what is magical touch. So look, every damn card is turned over. See? Every damn card is turned over except one card. I just want to don't say it. You just pick the card and show it to the camera. Is that your car? Yeah. Is it? It's crazy. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Yeah. It's very crazy, right? Yes. Thank you so much. And if you are interested, I can show you another trick as well. If you have time,
Great spending time with you.
please.
It's great spending time
Thank
with
you
you.
so
I
much,
was
bro.
like, okay, some random YouTube.
Yeah.
I was seeing in Instagram and over there and all.
Yeah.
I thought it would be some random video, but
Yeah. Show it. That brother is very shocked, I guess. And he's very shocked. I don't know how he's reacting. Right now. It's crazy. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate you a
thank you
lot.
so much. And yeah, expecting much more. Videos.
Yeah, sure, brother.
And I would rather find you in the YouTube.
Yeah,
and
so
Instagram.
definitely, brother. Definitely. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time, brother. Means a lot for me. Yeah, thank you so much. It means a lot, brother. I have keep on asking many people. They were not interested. I
You
think.
deserve it actually.
Yeah.
एहे रहा नहीं जाता
Yeah, sure, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, means a lot for me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So this is my brother's reaction after seeing some magic tricks from me. So up to you, brother.
అప్పు ఏంటి అన్నం స్వామి ఏంటి తెచ్చిపోతారు జనాలు అసలు ఏంటి మొత్తం కార్డ్స్ అని ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ లుక్ అయితే క్రేజీ ఉంది అసలు.
Okay.
చాలా బాగుంది
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. మీలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఉంటే కొంచెం మోటివేటెడ్గా ఉంటాం.
డెఫినెట్గా నీకు హెల్ప్ కావాలన్నా ఐఎమ్ ఆల్వేస్ బీ
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మీన్స్ a lot.
నేను ఇక్కడ ఉంటే వైట్ ఫీల్డ్ లోనే
Okay.
ఎప్పుడున్నా చెప్పండి
Sure, definitely.
డాన్స్ కంటెంట్ ఏదైనా నేను చేస్తాను
Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. It means a lot.
క్రేజీ నిజంగా చాలా
Thank
బాగుంది
you. Thank you, brother.
అసలు నిజంగా నాకు నిజంగా క్రేజీ అనిపించింది అక్కడ ఏదో 3 సార్లు అన్నం ఏంటి మొత్తం తిరుగుని కార్డ్స్ ఇక్కడ ఆడడం ఏంటి మళ్ళీ డీజిల్ కార్డ్ నా కార్డ్ ఆడడం
It's crazy, right?